Factor Meals Refund Policy. Factor Meals follows a strict weekly delivery schedule. To avoid being charged, you need to cancel before the weekly cutoff, usually Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Factor does not offer prorated refunds on prepaid plans or future weeks already paid for. Cancel to prevent future charges, but don't count on getting money back for unused weeks. Contact support within 5 days of delivery if there was an issue with the food, such as missing item or spoiled meals. Factor may be offer store credits, partial refund, or replacement depending on the situation. Many customers report that credits are default, with cash refunds considered only after escalating the issue. Reach out via email to help at factor75.com or call 888-753-5727. Provide your full name, registered email, delivery address, order details, and reason. Be proactive. If you miss that cutoff or have billing problems, politely escalate to a supervisor or manager. Some report shows refunds are granted only after persistent follow-ups. Several Reddit users reported they receive only $5 credit instead of full value for missing meals or later meals, and that's refunds required, pushing back strongly. Others says the cancellation interface is intentionally confusing, requiring multiple steps and hidden buttons to fully cancel the plan. Summary and takeaways. Cancel by the weekly cutoff to avoid charges. And refunds for undelivered or spoiled meals may be offered, but usually a store credit, not cash. If you need a refund for missing meals or billing errors, escalate and be persistent. Don't rely on getting money back from prepaid plans once they're locked in. So that's it.